Welcome. Pilot 4 is the highest pilot programming level. If you have not tried a pilot mission before, you may want to go back and try missions 1, 2, or 3 first before trying this mission. You will need a robot to program. If you haven't built a robot yet, go to the Constructopedia and build the tracker robot. If you have the touch sensor attached to your robot, you can remove it now. For this mission, you are going to create a robot that can see. For this, you need to attach the light sensor to the tracker robot. Make sure the light sensor is attached to port 1 on the RCX. See the Constructopedia for detailed instructions. For this activity, you also need the activity pad that came with your building set. Your tracker robot is ready to go? Great! Now you are ready to program it. First, click the Programmer button to select RoboLab Programmer from the menu. Then double-click Pilot 4 to start programming. This is the first step of a Pilot 4 program. Notice the top says Step 1 of 2. This program step turns on the motors in ports A and C and a lamp in port B. Let's program the robot a different way. For this mission, you will create a program that makes the robot turn in one direction until it sees a dark area. Then turn the opposite direction for 1 second. Notice that motor A and motor C are programmed to move different directions. This means the robot will turn. So we can leave motor A and C as they are for this step. Let's make the power levels of A and C the same. Click power 5 below port A. Then click 3 to change the power level to 3. Now change the lamp to a stop sign. Click on lamp B. Then click the stop sign. Now change the Wait For touch sensor to the Wait For light sensor icon. Click on the touch sensor icon. Then click the light sensor icon. This icon waits until the light sensor sees a certain level of light. Right now the level is 0. Let's change it to 40. First, press the backspace or delete key on the keyboard to erase the 0. Then type 40. Great, you have completed step 1. Now move on to step 2 of 2 by clicking the red arrow on the top right. Let's change step 2 to satisfy the mission. First, change lamp B to a stop sign. Click lamp B. Then click the stop sign. Next, change the power level of port C to 5. Now, change the Wait For light icon to Wait For time. Click the Wait For light icon. Then click the clock icon with the question mark. Press backspace or delete on your keyboard to erase the 0.0. Then type 1.0. You have completed your mission program. Now try it out. Download the program. Place your robot on the activity pad that came with your building set. Run the program. Your robot should turn right until it sees the black line on the activity pad. Then should reverse and turn the opposite direction for 1 second. Did it work? If it did, try moving the robot to each of the other positions shown on the activity pad. Regardless of which position it starts, the robot should reverse when it sees the black line. Click Information if you had a problem with a robot. Then click Try Again when you're ready. Here is a summary of some important navigation features in Pilot 4. Clicking the plus sign adds a step. The new step is added just after the step shown. Clicking the minus sign deletes a step. The step shown is the step deleted. A message prompts you before a step is deleted. Go ahead and click Delete. Clicking the left arrow moves back to the previous program step. Clicking the right arrow moves forward to the next program step. Congratulations! You have completed all of the Programmer Pilot missions. Click the Training Missions menu button to go back. Then, if you like, continue with the Investigator Pilot missions.